Let's practice English, and the topic is how to cook rice and dal. Always remember, according to different context, we should practice so that we can add vocabulary. Let's start. First of all, we have to take 1 cup of rice, 1 cup of dal and rinse them separately until the water runs clear. Second, for rice, what we have to do is, we have to add 2 cups of water and simmer it, S-I-M-M-E-R. That means we have to cook it for 15 to 20 minutes. Second is, for dal, we have to prepare or ready with a lot of things. That means cumin seed, coriander, chopped onion, tomatoes, peas. Along with that, we need a pot, we need to heat it, add oil, add chopped onions as well as spices. Also, minced ginger and garlic. Now, what is the meaning of M-I-N-C-E-D? Minced means finely chopped. After that, we have to saute it, stir it and add that dal with 2 cups of water into it. And after that, garnish it with coriander leaves, finely chopped. That means minced coriander leaves. Now tell me, what are the words you have learned today, and practice this way, because you need to become a charismatic personality and a great communicator. Hope this helps.